Hello guys! We are still crocheting for the summer since it's only June. Today we will be making a bag that's perfect for the season. This bag is crafted in 3 colors using a 4mm crochet hook and requires approximately 150 grams of yarn. Optionally, you can use rings for attaching the handles and a clip for closure, but if you don't have this, you can still make the bag without them. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Start with a chain and we will chain 121. We will start the first row in the second chain. We will do a single crochet in each chain. And when finished, cut the yarn and go back to the right side. Change the color. Insert the hook into the first stitch but only in the back loop. So we will ignore the front loop and we will insert our hook into the back loop. Place the end of the yarn on the hook and pull it through the stitch. Then chain 1 and you are ready to start row number 2. So in row number 2 we will work in the back loops only. We will make 1/2 double crochet into each stitch. So 1/2 double crochet into each stitch in the back loops only. I will see you at the end of this row. And when you finish row number 2, do not cut the yarn, chain 1 and turn your work. We will make a double crochet into the second stitch. So we skip the chain 1, skip the first stitch, and insert your hook into the second stitch and make a double crochet under the both loops. So we are not crocheting under the back loops anymore. Now make a 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, now skip the next stitch and make a double crochet into the next stitch. Then make 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch. Skip the next stitch, make a double crochet into the next stitch, make a 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch and continue until end of the row. Last 2 stitches left. Make a double crochet and 1/2 double crochet into the very last stitch. And when finished, cut the yarn and start again from the right side. So cut the yarn, grab white yarn, insert your hook under the both loops of the first stitch, change the color, chain 1 and start row number 4. Row number 4, make 1 single crochet into each stitch under the both loops. So 1 single crochet into each stitch. And when finished, cut your yarn and start again from the right side. Change the color for the pink, for the other shadow of the pink. Now you will work in the back loops only again. So chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet into each stitch in the back loops only. So 1 half double crochet into each stitch in the back loops only. Continue until end of the row number 5. Do not cut your yarn, chain 1, turn your work, and again starting in the second stitch, make a double crochet and half double crochet. So double crochet into the second stitch under the both loops. Now make a half double crochet into the same stitch. Skip next stitch and again make a double crochet into the next stitch, then make half double crochet into the same stitch. Continue until end of the row. And when finished that row, cut your yarn. Now you will have to repeat rows from 4 to 6 8 times more, so you should have 10 rows altogether. The height of the back must be 1/3 of the width. This is important, otherwise the back will not turn out right. As you can see, I have 10 repetitions, 5 of each color. Now with the white yarn we will make a single crochet along these both sides to make them more even. Okay, so insert your hook into the corner, pull the white yarn through and chain 1 and try to make 1 single crochet per each row. When finished, chain 1 and slip stitch to the first stitch. Cut your yarn, we will secure it later on. Make a second edge. Now grab the corner and fold it in half. You can place the marker over here. Next, grab this corner and fold it. And now this way. We can sew the back using a crochet hook or a needle. I prefer sewing with a needle, so today I will show you how to do it. First we will sew this part. Okay, thread the white yarn onto the needle and pull it through the first 2 stitches. And secure by making a knot or 2 knots. Remember to align the edges of the back evenly, then stitch by stitch pull the yarn through. Secure, hide the ends and cut the yarn. And now the other edge. So again, insert your needle into the first 2 stitches, corresponding stitches, and pull the yarn through and continue until end. And now it's time for the handles. I intend to use these wooden rings, but first I will show you how to start if you don't want to use or simply don't have such rings. Insert your hook into any of the 2 corners and put pink yarn onto your hook. Pull through chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So you can start in the same stitch. This is your first single crochet. This is your second single crochet. This is your third single crochet. Now chain 1 and turn your work. If you prefer wider handle, you can make 4 single crochet. So chain 1, turn and make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, then turn, chain 1 and repeat. So you will make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches until you reach the desired length of your handle. Okay? At the end, attach the handle to the other corner using single crochet or with a needle. If you decided to use rings, insert the crochet hook into the first stitch of the corner, leaving a slightly longer tail to make it easier to hide later. Then place the ring inside, from inside, and chain 1 around the ring. Remember to keep the tail. Now insert the crochet hook into the same yarn over, insert the crochet hook into the same stitch and make a half double crochet around the ring. Like this. Next, insert the crochet hook into the next stitch and make a half double crochet around the ring. So next stitch, half double crochet. Oh, sorry. And do it one more time. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through all loops. Like that. Cut your yarn and secure it, and do the same with the second ring on the other corner. Insert your hook like that into the ring, put the tail onto your hook, pull through and chain 1 around the ring. And then make 3 half double crochet around the ring. Okay, so this is your first half double crochet. Second half double crochet. And third half double crochet. So we have 3 stitches. Now chain 1 and turn your work. And make 1 single crochet into each stitch. So first single crochet, second single crochet, and third single crochet, chain 1 and turn, and continue until you achieve desired length. And at the end, work around the second circle, work 3 half double crochet. Finally, it's totally optional. We will sew on the clasp from inside using regular thread.